Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. Jai Bhim. Friends, I came for responding on the one incident and expressing my regret toward the which was happened, which was registered from the Gachibowli. Friends, first of all, really I am expressing my regret and I am sending my condolence to who was the uh, died. He is he was a his name Hanmantu. Actually, what happened? What is the cause behind the his death means teen kills father after losing 6 lakhs in betting. Especially here one reason. Who was the boy who was killed his father? His name Ravinder. He was a 19-year-old boy. Actually, his father, who was the Hanmantu, he was bought the some money from the some 6 lakhs rupees from the someone's by the his piece of land mortgaged. He mortgaged his land and he bought the 6 lakhs rupees and he was hide that money inside his home. Then after when the Ravinder knew about the money, he all money he was bought and within the 1 month he spent the 6 lakhs rupees for the betting the online games and uh, the lavish lifestyle and consuming the alcohol. The those things for he was spent the 6 lakh rupees. Then after when that issue knew the Hanumantu, he was reprimanded to the Ravinder. Why you was spent the all money? That money I bought the some work for, like that he reprimanded. When the his father reprimanded him, then after the Ravinder completely he nursing guards on the his father Hanumantu. Then he lured his father, the Ravinder, who was the accused person. He lured his father and he brought him to isolated area at the Gachibowli. Then after he stabbed multiple time and he was killed his father. Then after as normally he was informed to his cousin uncle. The cousin uncle and family members they rushly came to the spot and they brought to him the hospital and the Vanaparthi hospital. Then after the doctors declared he was died. And normally as a he anything not happen like that, he completely pretended the on the issue and he said one thing, my for my father he stabbed himself and he killed himself, like that he pretended and he said he was had said to their family members. Their family member also they all are believed that issue. Then after policies they took the investigation, they set the investigation and in the investigation that boy confessed. After the investigation that their teams they formed, the police officials formed with the teams, the Vanaparthi police station police officials, and they set the investigation. In the investigation, who was the boy, the 19-year-old boy Ravinder, he was confessed. I only stopped, I only killed my father. Like that he confessed the issue. What is going on? What is the mean by that? Really I am sad about, and I am expressing my regret toward the death. The accused person completely became um, he habituated, he influenced for the lavish life, and consuming the alcohol and online betting games that led forward his father death. That is why everyone, the who are the civic persons, who are the celebrities, who are the influencer, should be take this issue as a initiate, and give the some message for won't repeat, and won't do such like incident. Last the some days before, one girl, 16-year girl, he was killed his mother, her mother. Yesterday the 19-year-old boy, he killed his father. What is going on in this youth? All are became a as a criminals. That is why everyone should be taken as a initiate, and as a initiately, and give the some awareness program, and give the some counseling and guidance to your neighbors, and your public, and your neighbors should be give the good message to society, and every celebrities should be take this one as a challenging, and should be cup and excise officials also should be take, and won't repeat for everyone should be take the challenging on the incident and issues. Once again, really I am very very sad. Once again, I am sending my condolence, I am expressing my regret toward the who was died person and their bereaved family members. Thank you. Everyone should be respond on the issue. Thank you. JB.